Just make sure you're looking good.
Alright, okay, I'm ready.
Alright. What have you been doing here with that?
So we just replaced the clutch.
Don't be nervous,
Dude, I suck at this, like so bad.
Don't be nervous.
I was on Drugs Inc. one time.
What are you waving around over there?
You're on Drugs Inc.
I swear, on National Geographic.
El Noto's nervous he's been spotted.
A lot of people I conduct business with.
Oh, fuck, it's terrible.
This is way easier than National Geographic.
Yeah. So we just replaced the clutch and rebuilt the driveline, installed some long tube headers in X-pipe all the way to the Borla exhaust, and installed a quick release hub and aftermarket steering wheel. It gets rid of the giant, bulky, boring wheel that these things come with. It's a little smaller. It's just got a deeper dish, so it might be a little closer as well.
Cool.
Oh, yeah. I guess it's finally time to get to work on this thing. I basically forgot about this. I don't even know where anything goes anymore.
What did this come back from getting done?
So the chassis probably been painted for 3 weeks. Maybe this is like week 4. We got it back right before we left, right before the rig left to Formula Drift Atlanta. Now it's finally time.
Oh, don't forget to mention it got ceramic coat.
Oh yeah, and then Steve from Extreme Custom Detail hit me up and was like, hey, I'll ceramic coat the entire thing since you have some time. So literally, like, if you touch any of this, it's incredibly smooth and super slippery. He just decided, yeah, he wants to go ahead and ceramic coat the entire chassis. So in theory, whenever there's rubber and dirt and grime and oil, you just hose it right off. So now it's time to fucking figure out where everything goes, I guess.
What you got in the box? Just you don't know what this is.
So this is actually the first time I've seen the completed unit. This is the Weddle S5 Sequential transaxle gearbox and diff setup for the C8. Up until this point, I just had a mock-up case. Never really knew, you know, there's a lot of other little things that I never saw. There's cool little billet parts for holding the shift cables and all that, but either way, it's freaking awesome.
So we just got our order from Vibrant. These are all the fittings that I need to finish up doing the Safecraft fire system. You can check out the bottle. Started running the lines, so we're gonna have a few nozzles. One in the cabin, of course, protect the driver. One up front, two in the back actually. One down low, kind of facing the front of the engine. I'm gonna have one also a little bit higher so that we can reach the exhaust, transmission, all that stuff in the back.
What is your name, dog?
My name's Jackson. I work over at Drift Dave. I do some fabrication, a little bit of whatever it needs to be done. So we have Scott's Porsche here. These are all new oil lines here. The old ones were about 10 years old, so it was just time for a refresh. Took them all out, measured them, replaced them, got them all to length, and then we changed out this union fitting here. We added this guy, the union here, just to kind of tidy things up. He brought it in to get a new fuel cell, and this one was about 4 inches taller than the old one, which required us to modify this guy. And then with having a new fuel cell, changed out the fuel line just to get them all nice and new, and routed them to our radium fuel cell. He had a different fuel pressure regulator in here, so we put in a nice new radium one, modified the bracket a little bit just to get it all nice and new. And what's cool about this one is all you do to adjust your fuel pressure, you just spin this guy up top, you can hear it click a little bit, but that's just what changes your fuel pressure rather than having those stinking old Allen keys and trying to fight with it. Just a nice, quick, easy turn. These are the other ends of the lines over here. We left some of them a little bit long because he's gonna put his motor in probably here in a couple days, so give ourselves a little bit of playroom with that. The next thing is just going to be the motor, and then we'll go from there and see if he wants to change some things and all that kind of stuff.
Cool.